What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, as you guys can see from the headline, we are going to be installing some Tomei headers. This is going to be so dope of an install, considering that I've always wanted something from Tomei brand, but you know, they didn't really make anything for the Lexus, so I'm super glad that we're able to install this on the GR86. I'm currently waiting for Timmy. We're at his house where we usually do our work, but my guy's not out here. He might be taking a poop. But anyways, we gotta let my car cool down, so we were gonna go ahead and go to the gym and work out for a little while we let the car cool down. Let me show you guys what they look like right here. I got them in the box. Ooh. Alright, you guys, so we're back from the gym. We ended up doing legs and shoulders. I don't know, every time I freaking try to work out with Timmy, he's always trying to hit legs. Like, he tries to do the thing that he knows I don't like to do. But anyways, the car is pretty much cooled down. We already put it on jacks, as you guys can see. So I was going to wrap the headers in like the heat wrap, but I really don't think it's gonna be a problem right now, especially if we're not like making any boosts or any. There's like not too many reasons on why it might get like too hot. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna like bolt it up just like that. Hopefully we're not gonna need any gaskets, because the person that we bought it from, he didn't come with the gaskets or anything like that. So hopefully we can use the OEM ones. So Timmy's already at it. He's taking it off right now. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in there and help him. Let's get this show on the road. First, you gotta take off the shield. Here, pass that to me. Alright. Yeah, so
pretty easy.
Like, so they're literally right here.
So look, the bolts are here. There's bolts right there. Easy, just extension right here.
Yeah, I know. Like I was saying, we were watching a couple other videos, honestly, and they made it look so simple. So we're like, we know that some things can look simple, and then when you hop into it, it's not. But it's literally all right here. Look, all the bolts and everything. Timmy says he loves new cars because you don't have to deal too much about like strip bolts and stuff like that.
Bolts right there. Easy. This on the other side. Bolts right there. Bolts right there. That's it. And the O2 sensor.
Where's that?
Right here.
Well, you need to
passenger side.
Oh, no.
No. And you just reach up your hand and just disconnect it.
Oh, okay.
So after that, we'll just disconnect it.
Okay, it's easy, you guys, but it definitely would be better with a set of like 2 extra hands. So you could definitely do it yourself, but if you have somebody else to help you, probably would be best to have them help you. Good thing I have Timmy here. All right, let's go ahead and put these O2 sensors onto the new exhaust. This is probably one of the things that we kind of had a little bit of a trouble taking off. So make sure you kind of like have somebody help you hold it, or have something to help you hold this before you drop it down, so that way you can kind of unplug these sensors.
Also, wait till the engine is cool.
Yeah, I'm telling you, this, we had it sitting for at least like almost an hour and a half, and it was still pretty hot when we got back. So just future reference.
Come on, use a gym. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, throwing hands in the air, waving like you just don't care.
Alright, you guys, we got the O2 sensors into the headers now.
22.
It was really easy, 22 millimeter socket for O2 sensors though. Mind you, you will need that. So we can go ahead and bolt these right up, and then we'll get some sound clips of how it sounds with the parent exhaust and the Tomei headers. I am thinking about getting the Tomei over pipe and front pipe, but I definitely have to find that on some marketplace. So if any one of you guys are trying to get rid of some of your front pipe or over pipe, let me know in the comments down below. I will be looking for some, or I'll just end up buying some new ones. So let's go ahead and throw this on. What happened? What happened? Wait, what bolts?
Right here. These are pressed on. Those don't have it.
No, the headers come with their own bolts, I think. Alright, you guys, so we ran into a little bit of an issue. Just because this is what comes along with buying parts used. It's totally fine. We are figuring it out right now. But on the stock headers, these bolts right here, they're like pressed onto here, so it's not like you can like reuse these on the Tomei headers or anything like that. I will say that there was a gasket that we were able to kind of reuse that came off of these stock headers right here. So Timmy's looking for some 14s, right?
Yeah.
He's looking for 14mm bolts to kind of bolt up to this to match it up, and with the same length. So he has a bunch kind of laying around, so I'm pretty sure we can find some to fit. And if not, we'll just go to the hardware store. But I just want to let you guys know that is one of the small hiccups that we have installing. We're gonna go ahead and find these bolts and finish getting this on. Alright guys, so we finally got it on. We were struggling a little bit to get this section onto the car, but we finally got it all bolted down. Like I said, these 14mm bolts definitely worked that we had to substitute. And I also wanted to add that the OEM headers do come with their own gaskets right here, and on the other side. So if you guys want to go ahead and reuse those, you definitely can do so, because I just did. So pretty happy about that. So I still gotta go ahead and wipe it down really quick. I got my clean microfibers right here and some Solve over there, and then we'll go ahead and give it our first start, you guys. I'm super excited. Alright guys, it's all cleaned up now, so we're gonna go ahead and do the first start with the headers. I'm not too sure if I should have had the camera towards the exhaust or towards the engine, but since, you know, the headers are in the front, we're gonna go ahead and have the camera towards the front. So let me go ahead and get in there and start it for you guys. Yeah, definitely a little bit more like raspier for sure, you guys. So I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and see if there's any leaks or anything like that, and then we'll kind of like get some flybys down like the street or something, and also some in-cabin stuff. You know how it goes with the exhaust stuff. So we'll make sure to get those clips for you guys right now. I really want to know how it sounds when I downshift. I want to know if it's gonna crackle and pop more than with just the exhaust. I'm not too sure how I feel about the sound yet. Like I said, a little bit raspy, but it could all be fixed once we get like more parts and stuff. It definitely sounds more beefier for sure though. So Timmy had somewhere he needed to be, so came to the spot where we did the exhaust drive-bys last time, and we're gonna go ahead and get some drive-bys right now. So I have it on the tripod, so bear with me, you guys. I'm gonna try to get the best sounding clips that I can for the drive-bys, and without further ado, let's hear it. Alright, a little bit of shenanigans before we head and do the cabin clips. Alright guys, mind you, I am recording with uno mano, so it might be a little difficult, but yeah, let's try our best here. It really doesn't sound bad. Like inside, I have the windows up right now. Those people walking outside got a little scared. Get some clips of how it sounds outside the windows. Dude, this rumble is crazy, dude. I know we're about to have so much fun with this. Honestly, at first I wasn't too sure how I felt about the sound, but I'm loving it. I haven't had something like this before, you know what I mean, is in the Lexus, have it sounding like this, so it sounds freaking dope, you guys. To me personally, I like how it sounds. Like I said, it's gonna change up once we get like the overpipe and the front pipe. I know that we need that still, but for now, like, I know I'm gonna have some fun with this. And like I was telling you guys, like, it definitely cracks and pops a little bit more than when it just had like the exhaust on it. So I don't know if you guys got to hear that. Hopefully I picked that up in one of the clips so you guys can hear the downshifts, but that's something I really tried to pick up. So yeah, I'm really happy with the install. Freaking Tomei, man. Heck yeah, man. I'm freaking I'm stoked. I can't wait till we install more stuff. I have more stuff on the way, guys. Never mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive this on the freeway, see how it sounds like on high speeds, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I came to juice it up because this naked juice nasty as hell, so I came to get me a real smoothie, protein smoothie. But I wanted to show you guys this. So on the freeway while I was getting here, the check engine light didn't come on, so obviously it was kind of taking the system a little bit to figure out, oh, this is probably too much airflow or something's wrong. And then what it was giving me was this this symbol right here was coming up over here. So from my knowledge in the Lexus, that was the VSC if I'm not mistaken. So definitely that in the Lexus, that definitely meant something was throwing the car off and something was wrong. Clearly it's the headers. I already kind of had that in mind that might happen. So if you're getting the Tomei unequal length headers or even the equal length headers, I'm pretty sure that will probably pull up, or a couple other headers that I know people are kind of switching from the first gen. One header that I do know that probably doesn't throw that code because it's catted is the FT Speed catted headers. I seen Dustin Williams throw those on his car, and I think the reason he threw them on is because it's a giveaway car. He doesn't want them to have any issues, but he still wanted to upgrade it. So if you guys are looking for that, if you guys want something like that, then that would be a good choice for you guys to go with. But I just wanted to show you guys that really quickly, just because I'm pretty sure some of you guys might have questions or wonder if that would happen if you guys throw this part on your car or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a legit freaking smoothie, because that smoothie, this is not it. This is not protein friendly. This tastes like crap. I don't know, maybe some other people like it, but I felt like it just wasted my money. We made it back home with our new headers and our new engine light code. The headers, I definitely got a better sound of it now that I drove home now. Definitely a little bit, obviously it's louder. I want to say it could use a little bit of like sound brushing up, meaning like I feel like it could sound just a little bit better, but I do think it's dope. I'm like having fun downshifting and getting all the cracks and pops now. It definitely sounds way more beefier, so like I'm sure people think that it's probably gonna be like pulling if they don't really like know how much this car actually makes. But I'm super excited. Hopefully somebody cracks this ECU soon so we can get this thing tuned, so we could start, you know, really like, you know, getting into the engine bay with this car with some boost and turbos or superchargers, something. But let me know what you guys think of the headers. I want to know in the comments down below if you guys would want to install these on your own GR, or if you guys have the first gen, what you guys think of the headers. I want to know. Leave it in the comments down below. What do you guys think about these headers? Does it sound good? Does it sound crappy? Is it too raspy? With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, you guys. We have so much more coming. I'm so excited for the stuff that's to come, because it's like already bought. It's just literally like on the way here, and then just everything's being more planned into the future even after that, you guys. So I don't know if you guys have been noticing, but I've been pushing out a lot more content. Obviously, I love what I do, you guys, and you guys are amazing. All you guys' support, I really appreciate every single one of you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you guys are new to the channel, and make sure you guys live long and prosper, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.